What's up, everyone? Couple people fishing. Beautiful spring day. Little breezy. Took a little quick bike ride. I see my friend over there is coming. Little Shepherd mix. Beautiful waterfall. I got my buddy in it. I'm pointing down at the dog. Hi. What's up? Okay, I'm on my bike. I know. I'm on my bike. How's everything?
Good. How are you?
All right.
Beautiful day.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. Finally, I hope the wind dies down
I
there.
know.
You too. Is he all right? Everything all right?
He's doing well.
Okay, good. I'll see you later. Yeah, it's a nice day. Nice puppy shepherd mix. Beautiful dog. I'm on this waterfall. On top of it, actually. I really don't trust this little handheld device I have to hold on because it's not it's secure, but the phone could come out of it. But anyway, just thought I'd film this real quick. Take the bike back over there. Beautiful day. Just a nice day. I would have filmed something in the room, maybe a watch or something, a party room, but it was closed off yesterday and today. They're having a party, but that's what that room's for, to rent out parties and stuff. But it's such a nice day, I had to just film this. I went to Walmart earlier, so I figured I'll film this. So beautiful right now. I think the wind died down too, because I don't feel cold. Doesn't feel cold right now. See if I can ride the bike a little with this phone. Just riding the bike a little. Come on, we gotta catch something. Just riding the bike along the lake. I think I'll end the video here. Everyone have a great evening. Have a great day. Forget about evening. Have a great day. Peace out.